Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you want to emphasize specific moments in your video? With CapCut's easy-to-use tools, you can create a cool zoom-in effect on your own. In this video, I will show you how to use CapCut on your mobile phone to zoom in on your video, which works on both iPhone and Android devices. Let's go. To get started, launch CapCut and import your video. The first step is to move the playhead to find the starting point of your zoom. When the initial frame is set, tap on the video in your timeline and click the diamond icon below the player window to set a keyframe. Next, drag the playhead again to determine the duration or specific point in the video when the zoom should be fully in effect. While the playhead is at this point, use your fingers to zoom in your video clip. Keep an eye on the player window to ensure the zoomed-in portion fits seamlessly within the frame. You can play the video to view the zoom effect, which transitions from its original size to the fully zoomed-in state. Finally, drag the playhead to where you want the zoom to end, and revert the video back to its original size. Use your fingers to zoom out and adjust the clip to fit the video frame as needed. Once everything looks good, play the entire clip to confirm the zoom effect works as intended. Afterward, click Export to save your edited video to your computer. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.